In this lesson, you'll learn how to protect children from accidental poisoning, harmful exposures, and other hazards. First, poisoning. We must protect children from accidental poisoning, including cosmetics, chemicals, pesticides, and medicine. Over 2 million poison exposures are reported each year. Children under 6 account for over half of those reports. Second, harmful exposures such as CO2s, asbestos and lead paint, plastics, and radon. And third, other hazards, including electricity, water or pools, burns and scalding, or stairs and furniture. Most accidents such as these are preventable. During this lesson, you'll learn what to look for, tips to help you avoid problems, and how to observe with an activity and checklist provided. This is an activity called Mission Safe Space. We are going to share 4 photos with you. As you look at each photo, ask yourself, what hazards do you see? What kind of hazard is it? And how would you solve the problem? Remember to use the 4-step risk assessment. Identify the risk, evaluate ways to reduce the risk, implement a solution or best practice, and monitor and review. Now press the pause button for each photo. Your mission is to decide if each photo represents a safe and healthy environment. Take the time to really study each space and jot down what poisons, harmful exposures, and other hazards you see. Now let's go back and look at the photos from the eye of an expert. Avoid spraying chemicals in the air when children are around. In licensed homes and centers, you must lock cleaning supplies and anything marked as hazardous. This means lock and key. Get in the habit of reading labels and become familiar with EPA warning signs. Anything with the skull and crossbones pictogram must be locked in storage. If poisoning does occur, call the Poison Control Hotline.
1-800-222-1222. 1-800-222-1222. If you think it might be poison, then the first thing you should do is call 1-800-222-1222.
For poison emergencies or just questions, the Poison Control Center hotline is here 24/7 with the expert help you need.
If you think it might be poison and you don't know what to do, call 1-800-222-1222.
Program that number into your phone right now, and for signs of poisoning, refer to your manual. And now, back to our mission. In the playroom, did you notice several plastic toys? Some plastics may release harmful chemicals, so read labels. Plastic items have a number in the triangle. Avoid those using the number 3, 6, or 7. Use only glass or BPA-free plastic, especially baby bottles and food containers, and never place plastics in the dishwasher. Be aware of tipping furniture. Children love to climb and are good at inventing ways to get what they want. Anchor furniture with anti-tip brackets, remove toys from the top of furniture that may tempt children, and secure televisions to the top of furniture or mount flat screens directly on the wall. Did you know that many art supplies are toxic? Look for ASTM, American Society for Testing and Materials, approval for any arts and crafts supplies you use. Remember to keep extension cords out of reach of children. Never place them through doorways, under rugs or carpet, or behind wall hangings. Use safety outlets and covers. They're required in licensed homes and centers. Finally, use these precautions to reduce exposure to lead, especially during any construction or remodeling. House paint prior to 1978 may contain lead. Paint chips or dust can be on windowsills and in soil surrounding a home. Remember to vacuum regularly. Outdoors, if you're aware of any asbestos in the child care area, leave it alone if it's in good condition. However, if it's deteriorating, repair or remove it. And radon is a colorless, odorless, radioactive gas present in nearly all soils. The problem occurs when radon gas enters your home and gets trapped. Long-term exposure to high levels of radon can cause cancer. Radon detectors are available to help alert you to radon dangers. Drowning is the leading cause of accidental death for children under the age of 5. Small baby pools, which have 12 inches or less of water, can still present a hazard to children. Did you know that children can drown in less than an inch of water? Use touch supervision, which means children are within your reach at all times when around any water source, and refer to your manual and licensing standards for more information. Finally, in the kitchen, keep knives and utensils, backpacks, diaper bags, and purses out of reach of children, as you can never be sure what they may contain. Also be aware of what's inside drawers, as children are curious. In order to reduce the presence of carbon monoxide, use these precautions. Have all major appliances inspected and professionally installed. Never use a gas stove or oven to heat your house. And use a carbon monoxide detector to help keep you and the children safe and alert you to any danger. To prevent children from scalding and burning, keep water temperatures that children use between 100 and 120 degrees Fahrenheit, or install anti-scald devices on your faucets or mixer valves under your sink. When cooking, use the back burners of your stove or turn pan handles toward the rear. Check your course manual for more resources. Finally, constant and active supervision is the best way to provide a safe and healthy environment. Be aware, know the whereabouts, and be within sight or sound of all children at all times. Be alert, attentive, and responsive to the needs of all children, and protect or remove children from harm. Check your manual for more tips on how to provide active supervision. And prepare to care.